Well, hello there once again, Nicely News family. Today is Friday, March 11th, 2022. My name is Lenny Hernandez, and we are here just in the nick of time to usher you into the weekend with some delightful stories from around Aero Senior Living communities. Today, though, is all about the great state of Ohio. That's right, our stories today come straight out of the Buckeye State. Today, we're talking about the HERstory of Mary Lou Jones out of VITALIA Westlake. We're also going to cover VITALIA Solon's visit to Hive at Lakeland Community College. We also then take a look at Fox Run's beautiful new renovations, and we also check in on Employee Appreciation Day from last Friday, where Aero enlisted some famous help to say thank you to all of their employees. This was company-wide. Well, that all sounds like a darn good episode of Nicely News to me, if I do say so myself. So what are we waiting for? Welcome everybody to Aero Nicely News. Our first story of the day is in honor of Women's History Month. You may have caught last week's episode, hopefully you did, where we kicked off our HERstory feature with 4 fascinating biographies of women in Aero communities. Well, today, we bring you another one of our memory care residents, Mary Lou Jones, as read by special correspondent, friend of the Nicely News, and VITALIA Montrose resident, Lois Davis.
Mary Lou Jones, a resident at VITALIA Westlake Senior Living, has been a role model throughout her life, both for her family and the women of Ohio. Mary Lou received 2 degrees, one in education and the other in music. She played both the harp and the piano in her college orchestra. Her discipline directed her to the classroom, where she taught in primary schools for several years. Eventually, Mary Lou found her way into business, owning her own public relations company. She was voted the Ohio President of the League of Women Voters, a role that resulted in public speaking and television features to stress the importance of voting. Mary Lou had many positions and has lived quite a life, but her favorite role of all has been that of a mother of 3, grandmother of 2, and great-grandmother of 2.
We'll have more wonderful HERstories all month long, so be sure to come back for more. Next, we're going on an engrossing trip to Lakeland Community College in Kirtland, Ohio. Residents of VITALIA Solon recently visited Lakeland's Hive Design Thinking Space, an area of the college all about building and being creative.
This is Katie, corresponding for the Nicely News, and I am in the gorgeous Make Space at the Hive at Lakeland College. We have residents here making etched wine glasses and cards.
Residents were able to see all of the intricate machineries that they have there, such as laser engravers, vinyl printers, and 3D printers. Not only were they able to see the equipment, they were able to put it to use to make their own designs a reality. Hive prides itself on its principles of being open-minded, collaborative, action-oriented, and optimistic. This is the second time that the residents have visited this wonderful workshop to create bookmarks, handmade cards, and designs on wine and Pilsner glasses. Solon residents had a wonderful time being creative and turning their ideas into a reality using these amazing cutting-edge tools. I mean, it just goes to show you that you shouldn't be afraid to try something new, even at any age. For our next story, we're going to go to Fox Run Senior Living in Fairborn, Ohio to check out their newly completed renovations. Check out this beautiful building, would you? I mean, it is beautiful. We're going to throw it over to Nicole Rozsa for more information.
Hey! Hey, it's Nicole Rozsa here, and we are leaping for joy at Fox Run Senior Living because we're newly renovated and I want to show you all the new things inside. So follow me and I'll show you around.
Nicole.
Oh, hey, sorry about that. Just reading one of my books in the Commons. One of our new spaces for all of our residents to come and enjoy and lounge whenever they want. So we're over here in our restaurant now, and it's 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. dining. So you can eat whatever you want, whenever you want. Sorry if that hurt your ears. I'm definitely not a piano player. However, we have this great piano here for any of our residents who really enjoy music still and want to continue to play or just sing along when someone can actually play, not me. But this is all located in our hub and it's all brand new. So a lot of people will just sit and hang out in one of these chairs and wave hi to people as they go by. Hey! Oh, hey! I'm over here in the 24-hour bar and bistro, and it's amazing because I can grab whatever I want anytime. It's all included. And we also have our happy hours over here too. So it's nice, we can just sit down and hang out with our friends and listen to music and maybe even dance a little bit. Yeah, you see these muscles over here? We can really work out strong and mighty at Fox Run because we have a brand new fitness center. We have this bike here to exercise your legs, we have weights, and we have extra motivation with our partner, Fox Therapy, who can come and do speech therapy, occupational, and physical therapy too. And it's all through insurance. However, it's great because it's on site. So now we headed over to the theater. We got snacks here. We have some good Starbursts and not to mention popcorn. There's movies. So come to the theater anytime you want to watch a good movie with your friends and family. Home sweet home. We are in our model apartment finally, and everything is new. We have vinyl flooring, fresh paint on the walls, and everything else in between is just new. Well, we did all of our running here today at Fox Run, so that's a wrap.
Thank you so much, Nicole, and a great job. After months of renovations, we are so excited for the residents to finally experience the new Fox Run. Truly a sight to behold. For more information on that gorgeous community, go to foxrunseniorliving.com or give them a call to set up a tour. You're gonna wanna go look at it for yourselves because it is gorgeous, gorgeous. And for our final story of the day, Arrow Senior Living is saying a huge thank you to all of its employees for all the hard work that they do for the residents. All day on Friday, thank you videos to each department were posted featuring special guests who you may recognize from your favorite entertainments, such as the Great British Bake Off, say that 5 times fast, Star Wars, NSYNC, and more.
Hi, this is Mara Wilson from Mrs. Doubtfire and Matilda.
It is Caitlin Black from Heart of Dixie.
Adriana Zumbo here. A big shout out for your Employee Appreciation Day.
I'm here from a galaxy far, far away on behalf of Arrow Senior Living for Employee Appreciation Day.
I love seniors so much. And just to see the love that you guys are like bombing them with and just giving them so much joy.
Just know that you are truly valued and appreciated and respected, and they're so thankful to have you guys there.
Arrow wants to say thank you to all of you. And listen, I have spent a lot of my life working with seniors, volunteering. Oh, it's the best thing you can do. It's the best thing that you can do. And for y'all, it's just a gift.
Hold on for one more day. Hey, if I can do it, you guys can do it. You are so appreciated. God bless you guys and have an amazing, amazing time together.
All of Arrow's employees work hard and care deeply about residents, and we appreciate each and every one of you. So here's to us. fellow employees. Well, everybody, that'll do it for another episode of Aero Nicely News. Thank you so much for watching, and please, please, please like and share this video out to everyone. We love those boosts. Woo! Whoop. We hope that you are feeling amazing after watching all of these heartwarming stories, and be sure to come back next Friday for another edition of HERstory. For Aero Nicely News, I'm Lenny Hernandez. Have a great weekend and a wonderful week next week, everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye.